Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 4 practical ways to make money with Bitcoin. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So you've heard about Bitcoin and the financial opportunities it presents, but you don't know where to begin? Here are some practical methods for earning Bitcoins. So buying Bitcoins. Bitcoin has been the most profitable asset over the past decade. The majority of those who have ever purchased Bitcoin are in profit. Past performance is not always indicative of future success, but history tends to repeat itself. The quantity of Bitcoin mined is halved every 4 years, resulting in an ever-shrinking supply. Companies and institutions have increased their demand for Bitcoin, resulting in massive price increases over the past few months. Timing the Bitcoin market is frequently difficult. For this reason, a good Bitcoin strategy for beginners is to buy Bitcoin and hold. This refers to holding Bitcoin with no plans to sell it in the near future. Hodlers frequently experience less stress and have more time to focus on other aspects of life besides their Bitcoin investments. If you are ready to buy Bitcoin, local Bitcoins can connect you with local merchants who accept multiple payment methods. Bitcoin can be purchased using PayPal, debit or credit cards, wire transfers, and other methods. Buying and selling Bitcoin. Successful Bitcoin trading requires a bit more attention than simple hodling. Bitcoin is still a relatively young investment asset, which makes it highly volatile and susceptible to large price swings over short time periods. This implies that you must comprehend how the Bitcoin market moves in order to profit from the price volatility. Here are some tips on how to become a better trader on local Bitcoins, as well as links to websites that may be helpful when learning how to trade Bitcoin more effectively. If you fully understand how the Bitcoin market functions, you can begin to profit from trading Bitcoin. Becoming an affiliate of local Bitcoins. Utilizing affiliate marketing is a simple way to generate passive income. If you have a large social media following or write a blog, the local Bitcoins affiliate program can be very beneficial to you. Thus, you will be able to leverage your Bitcoin accumulation through network effects. For each affiliate you bring to the site, you will receive a 20% commission on the local Bitcoin's trading fees for each trade that affiliate completes over a 1-year period. Acquiring Bitcoin. In addition to investing, trading, and bringing your network to local Bitcoins, you should investigate the potential for earning Bitcoin. Numerous businesses around the world are actively seeking talented freelancers and would be willing to pay in Bitcoin. Whether your expertise is in graphic design, copywriting, or something else, it is simple to receive compensation across borders with Bitcoin. Local Bitcoins provide a wallet solution at an affordable price for receiving Bitcoin payments from anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. But you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar, Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.